So even before you go ahead and bury all your wires, something you might want to do is just plug your lights all back into the transformer, get them wired in, and test them and make sure that all your connections are working properly. If not, then you might have to go and redo some. But once you go around and you test it and all your lights are working, that's when you can go back and you can start to bury everything. And even before you do that, you might want to adjust your lights. Most of the lights you're going to use are going to be adjustable in some way or form, and you want to get those angled however you have in your plan to highlight whatever feature it is that you want. A general rule of thumb is whatever angle you think you need, I would always try and put it a little bit higher or more upright. So if you think you need to aim it like this, I would probably try and aim it like this. Just as a general rule of thumb, I usually find you need to aim it a little higher than you actually think you do. And I would also recommend trying to make most of these adjustments at night when you can actually see what that light's going to look like on that feature that you're trying to accent.